That right there is a hummingbird moth. They love these flowers. Really cool to see. Anyway, there's 3 or 4 of them around here earlier. This one finally settled down. Kinda. But anyway, what I get to see sometimes in my flowers. These were here when we got here, but there we go. Oh. And there's the train, so I guess I'm done. Bye. Have fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go watch one of my other videos. I think my dive ones are even better. Whoop, down there. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to let him go and let him enjoy his meal. Bye.